The power of breakfast, how it can improve your health by lowering cholesterol, regulating blood sugar, and managing weight. The breakfast is the most important meal in the day, and should never be skipped. There are many people who believe that they support their health by omitting breakfast, and according to the Association of UK Dietitians, BDA, only 2/3 of adults in the UK eat breakfast regularly, and around 3/4 of Americans. Some maintain that the importance of this first meal in the day is wisely included in its name. We're advised to eat it to break our overnight fast. According to dietitian Sarah Elder, the body uses a lot of energy stores for growth and repair through the night, so a balanced breakfast helps to boost the energy levels, as well as the amounts of protein and calcium used throughout the night. It energizes the body, improves concentration, and helps the body to burn calories. Studies have shown that breakfast is linked to improved memory, and a lower risk of heart disease, obesity, disease, and high cholesterol. When we skip breakfast, we experience increased cravings as the sugar levels in the body are low, and we end up overeating during the rest of the day. The following breakfast recipe is a healthy option to start the day. It will support the calorie burning process, lower cholesterol and glucose levels, and help you lose excess weight. Its main ingredients are oats and chia seeds. Chia seeds are abundant in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and the powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties improve heart health and fight arthritis and diverticulosis. An ounce of chia seeds contains 27% phosphorus, 18% calcium, 30% manganese, as well as smaller levels of copper and potassium. On the other hand, oatmeal is a rich source of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that lowers bad cholesterol. Oats are also high in manganese, selenium, zinc, magnesium, iron, thiamine, phosphorus, etc. A cup of cooked oatmeal contains 150 calories, 4 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein. Breakfast removes cholesterol, blood sugar and weight. Here is how to prepare your delicious breakfast. Ingrédients. 1 cup of oats. 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. 2 cups of water. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. A bit of salt. Instructions. Pour the water in a pot, add cinnamon, and as soon as the water starts boiling lower the heat and add the oats. Boil for 5 minutes, and remove the pot from heat. Cover it, and leave it aside for 5 minutes. Stir, add chia seeds, honey, and salt, and enjoy.